guys, and welcome to the channel. My name is Lonne, and this is a beautifully presented 4-bedroom home by Cala Home. I cannot wait to show you around this property, so stay tuned to see the rest. The Cleland welcomes you with a bright, airy space as you walk into the home with glimpses of what's to come in the open plan kitchen diner there. The main entrance itself has panels of glass either side of the door, adding to that indoor-outdoor feeling even in the front of the house. The great thing about this home is you definitely won't run out of space for storage. There's a cubby there where you can put your jackets and coats, shoes, and what have yous. Behind this mystery door here lies electrics and sockets. So a very practical use of the space there. The door makes sure everything is flush, shut away, and tucked away. But before we head anywhere else, we're going to head into the lounge space. This is the space that welcomes your guests. This space offers a contemporary feel with that modern fireplace there, adding depth and warmth at the focal point there. A great space to have an evening nightcap with your family and friends or guests that you have invited over. The decorator really added touches of comfort and elegance to this house, especially with that beautiful sofa there. The cushions and decor in here really add an element of comfort. The large lights make it airy, and the large windows in here also allow a flood of natural light to pour in here, creating a beautiful atmosphere during the evening and during the day. I love the fact that the sofa in here are very comfortable and cozy. They have this rounded shape also, adding to that touch of elegance. The sideboard there is a wooden natural material, bringing in the warmth into the room, which I really enjoyed about the balance in there. The room is very versatile and can be moved according to your likes and desires. Heading on over to the heart of the home, the kitchen. I was clearly so eager to come into this space. This is a gorgeous, gorgeous space. Very contemporary, very welcoming though, with the countertops having a bit of a wood there and adding the outside into the inside of the home with that large sliding door. But as I'm giving you an overview of the room here, you get a feel of exactly the flow of the house and the room. You can see that there's that open plan kitchen diner, but it also has this lovely nook here. This nook is great for mornings where your families are just congregating here, or evening when you're making dinner. Great sofa to have your family and close by to you. You're not isolated or in your own space while you're cooking and preparing what's for dinner. You can also have the space as an official dining room if you like, but I love the fact that there's windows either sides of this room as well, which gives you so much more light and airiness in here. And then as you walk into the kitchen here, you're welcomed by a large, good size island here, and in the middle of the island is the lovely hob. And as you're cooking and making your dinner, you're looking into the garden. If you have younger kids, very good use of space there, especially when you're entertaining during summer. And then over at the behind the island, you can tell also there's loads of integrated appliances, but focusing on this island here, I love that stone. I love the way they've presented this and used that marble slab there for a space for dinner or breakfast. It's a great breakfast bar area on the other side. This island has been used to its full capacity. There's drawers, storage space. I believe that they have used the space very well. As you can tell behind the island here, there is also cupboards, drawers, storage space, but you can never, ever have too much storage space. We also have a sink that is 1.5 sink in that kitchen, but that is facing the other way, just because the other side of the wall is basically your bifold doors into that entertainment area, which is your garden. And then we do have this laundry room. The laundry room is a great room. It's got a sink, it's got space for your washer dryer, and it's got a door, access to the garden. And this room here would be your integrated garage. At the moment, it's used as an office for this home to be shown. So heading over to where we've just come from to show you a bit more detail in regards to this kitchen. Again, I didn't want to leave the kitchen. It's a beautiful kitchen. Let your eyes just enjoy and feast on this. If this is the home you would love to buy, then of course you'd want to see every detail of it. And then moving on into the downstairs WC. The downstairs WC is great. It's got a window which make it easy to aerate the room, and I do love a push button toilet and a single lever sink. Very good, very modern, everything that you need. Cala Home has very high spec products. I can never fault them with that. I love the decor in here. The light and the light shades are gorgeous. And then if we go back into the lounge and head on out of the downstairs, we will be welcomed by 4 beautiful bedrooms. Heading up the stairs here, the tone of the rooms will change. We'll get carpet. We do have a rail to head upstairs to make it a bit safer as well. It's not our regular banister that has no space. In this house, we do have walls either side of the banister. And then this room here is the first bedroom we will take a sneak peek at. First of all, I just love the sizes of the windows. I love that it is, floor to very top, maybe not floor to ceiling, but they are huge windows. And as you open them, your blinds in the morning, you'll have quite a lot of light. The wardrobes in here are massive, not just the handles, the wardrobes themselves have quite a lot of light. We also have an ensuite in this bedroom here, and I love the floor to ceiling tiles in here. It's gorgeous. They're very glowy kind, so easy to clean and easy to maintain. I also like this touch that Cala Home has, where the lever of the shower is at the other side of where the shower is, so you don't necessarily have to get cold or get cold water on you before you get into the shower. So I do think that is the little touches that make a difference to your daily experience in there. And then in here, the beautiful bedroom has a makeup vanity area here, which is, every woman would love that, and man. But yeah, they all have floor to ceiling tiles here, adding texture, adding depth to this room. I love that wallpaper color, and then the suede in contrast. The colors in here are beautiful. I do like this room quite a lot. I love the large wardrobes in here. Let me know what you think about the wardrobe and the wardrobe spaces and the room itself. I absolutely enjoyed this room. It's simple, it's practical, but it's decorated so well. Those hanging side lamps make me really happy, and the fact that they are on is pretty great. And then we have bedroom number 2. Bedroom number 2 isn't staged as a bedroom at the moment. It is staged just as the little chill spot is what I'm calling it, a little chill spot at the moment. So it's got 2 little beanbag type chairs, a lamp, and a TV there. So if you don't need this room for your children or family members, you can stage it as whatever you like. You might even have it as an office. At the moment, they just have it as a little chill spot. And it's got the fitted wardrobes there to show just how practical it would be if you were to have it as a bedroom. Fitted wardrobes with new builds, as you may be aware. Some of them are extras, some of them are not extras, but that particular one you would have to ask the specific person that you're buying it from. And then we have this room here with this very
bold, playful wallpaper, and it's a twin bedroom they've staged it as. So we have two gorgeous beds in here. Again, somebody did not hold back on the wallpaper and the curtains in here, but it works really well. It also does have fitted wardrobes in here. So it's a practical room, twin room, great use of space in there. Then heading on over to this wonderfully done bathroom. This bathroom has gorgeous tiles, good amount of space around it. It has a bathtub, a sink, toilet, and it also has a standalone shower. Now, I really like the Cala Home choice of suites and fixtures. I think they go for very high quality fixtures. They look great and they are great. That's because they do go for the highest quality when it comes to their fixtures. I love the shower in there as well. Moving on to the next room. First, we'll have a little sneak peek at what is in here. This is another piece of storage. This could definitely become a linen cupboard or, of course, where you keep your hoovers and cleaning equipment. This bedroom here is another bedroom. This one is staged as a boys' room, maybe a slightly older boys' room, but of course, with these rooms, very versatile. You can use it for whoever, whatever you want. The decoration in here is done very well. Again, fitted wardrobes. I appreciate practical elements of a room. This one has a nice fitted wardrobe, and that is a great little bed there. This one also has an ensuite. This is another ensuite that we have in here, so I appreciate more than one ensuite in the house. If you ever have guests, they will also appreciate that. In this ensuite, they did decide to go for a slightly darker tone tile, which really works in that space. Heading back up into the landing space to give you a little bit of an overview to see if there's anything that we have missed. But generally, this is a good amount of space, a good amount of rooms up here. Do let me know in the comment section what you think.
Now, if you enjoyed watching this video as much as I enjoyed recording it, then do not forget to like it, subscribe, share it with a friend, encourage a girl so that I can keep going. But until the next one, bye 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 bye.